Can you imagine? I have got 1000 messages. Sir, I would like to learn English. How can I speak English? It's my dream. I love your teaching. Sir, please help me. Truly speaking, it's possible to speak in English if you want. First, train your brain to speak in English. So all time you have to think that, yes, English is a part of my life. Whenever you will think about English, whenever you will speak, whenever you will practice, it will be easy for you. But problem is that most of the student, what you do, just you translate your mother tongue into English. So that's why you cannot speak English very fluently. So you have to come out from this concept. Right now, you have been learning grammar at least for 10 years. Even though you cannot speak in English a single sentence, single word, what's the problem? Did you ask yourself? Answer is no, sir. Just you would like to learn a lot of structures, grammars, a lot of things. You think that, sir, I have problem of vocab. I have problem of structures. I don't have any partner. That's why I can speak in English. Truly speaking, no. Problem is that your dream is big, but you didn't start action. First, you have to start action if you would like to speak English. Would you like to speak English? What will you do? Just you have to do 3 things. Listening, thinking, and speaking. If you don't listen, it's not possible to speak in English. Listening is called mother of language. Any language, if you would like to learn, you have to listen. And you have to think. You have to speak. Whenever you'll do it, it's possible to speak in English without inertia, like your mother tongue. I believe that you'd like to speak like me, but you cannot. You are listening. You understand everything. Just you cannot express yourself like me. You would like to do that, but you don't practice. So there is a good chance. If you would like to speak naturally, you can join my any branches. There are 3 branches. Mirpur 1, Mirpur 10 and Uttara. So if you would like to speak naturally, you are very welcome. Inshallah, today or tomorrow, you'll be a very good speaker. Thank you very much and best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.